Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start with the essentials. Confirm the controller model and firmware so changes match hardware. Once done, back up current settings. This prevents guesswork if you need to revert. Make sure you have a Philips ESD strap and a multimeter at hand. Power down and unplug, then discharge capacitors. Open the enclosure per the service guide. Do not improvise. This first step gets you into a safe state and preserves your baseline, which is critical before any timing or voltage adjustments. You now proceed to change the core settings carefully. Increase clock speed in 1-3% steps, and run a stability test for 10-15 minutes after each adjustment so you catch instability early. When performance lags, raise voltage only minimally and monitor temperature and current. This controls stress and prevents damage. Make sure to run diagnostic logs, CRC checks, and looped workloads to validate behavior and record each step. By doing this, you separate transient anomalies from repeatable faults and maintain a clear audit trail. Finish by locking the stable profile and saving persistent settings so the controller boots with expected parameters. Then run an extended stress test for 4-8 hours and verify thermal margins plus error counters remain steady. This confirms long-term reliability. If problems surface, revert immediately to your backup profile and inspect physical causes. Check solder joints, connectors, and electrolytic capacitors for bulging or leakage. One key troubleshooting tip. If instability persists, swap in a known good power.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.